new car. Let's go and watch which car it is, and also taking a delivery today of this new car. I'm very excited to watch that. I'm sure he is as well, and I'm sure you guys also will be happy looking at it. So let's go and yeah, let me tell you how. And let me know how this new setup is. This one here. If you can see, on my recent video I had showed you that I've got this new device to take this video, and I would not need any help from anyone now. No torturing my friends for this. So I also don't know, this is the first time I'm using this device, this gadget that I have. I'm not sure how the footage is coming, but I'm really excited to know how it is going to look like. But yeah, I'm getting some weird looks. People are actually looking at the camera and the phone in front of my helmet, and they're actually looking at it and thinking, what am I doing here, right? Putting this helmet, this camera in front of the helmet. So yeah, this is something new and it's weird. I've just put my visor down so that nobody looks at me. Yeah, I want to upgrade to a GoPro in future for sure. Also, I'm confused between Digicam 4 and GoPro 12. I'm not sure which one to take. I'm not sure how the audio is coming because I'm not using a mic right now. But I will be upgrading to the mic because I've already ordered it. Still waiting for that to come back. But yeah, once the mic comes in, I think it's going to be perfect. There's no tension taking videos after that. But yeah, I want to see how the footage is coming. Right? Look at the sun on the top. Beautiful weather. Oh, look at the people looking at the phone, looking what it is, right? They are very confused as to what is this guy put here on the front of the phone. Alright, here we go. Let's go. I was a little worried what if my camera falls down? What if my phone falls down, right? But yeah, I don't think that's going to happen because it's actually very secure. I also had that same concern, but I think that's fine, no problem. I can also adjust the camera. If I want to give this view, I can give this view. Whichever looks good, guys. Waiting for my friends. My friends are waiting for me. Sorry, so I'm just going to meet them. So far, so good. No problem. And let's go front and top. So I also was worried. What if this is very heavy, heavy on my neck? Because I used to feel that way, that it might be heavy when riding. But I don't think there's any issue with this because though I'm happy with this thing. I am not feeling heavy or anything like that. It's very normal, and this is very normal. I have no problem wearing it. As long as it's not a problem, it's not a problem. That's all. But yeah, once if I get some good number of subscribers and I get love and support from you guys, I think that is when I can go ahead and get a GoPro. Expensive, guys, about 30,000 it is. Right now I don't want to invest so much on the GoPro because who knows, right? Again, there's a cover, there's the adapter. Again, that adapter also very expensive, I heard. About 4K for that mic adapter. Again, I have to get that as well. I'm getting the GoPro. Yeah, kind of expensive, but I mean it's okay. I'm okay to invest, but problem is, what if there's no point getting it, and then there's no growth, there's nothing, and then what if I lose interest? If I don't get motivation for a longer time, then I think I also will lose hope on making these videos for you. As long as they support, I'm there. I'll try to do a lot of things, lot of pride. But then if I feel that okay, this is not working out for me anymore, then I might probably stop doing it. Even the camera is like, the phone is a little tight. I mean, it's not gripping down also. Even if it's, I was thinking that because of the vibration and the wind blast, it might fall down. But that is not the issue here. It is not even falling down. It's perfectly set up the way I wanted it. Only thing is, I don't know how the voice is coming out because there's no mic set up. I'm just talking directly from the phone and you guys are hearing it. So I'm not very sure about that, how that is going to sound. I have to go home and check how it is actually sounding. But rest everything is fine. Just turn. We had a small tea break and we are now going to get the car for Agnesh. So let's go to the Lada showroom. Off we go. I know in the beginning of the footage was a little down towards the downside because I was not sure how to attach this camera on the right angle, but right now I think this is perfect. You can actually see the entire road right properly. I think it is here, this side. This side, no? So Nitesh is here with us. Me and Nitesh going on the bike. So Agnesh, I guess, is already reached over there. Because the showroom is quite near from the place where we are standing, so I think it's almost here. Yes, here it is. Yeah, you can see there Tata Motors and the weird look from the girls. That's because of the camera, not for me. For the camera on the bike. What's up? Tell me something I don't know. Now we are going to the showroom. One of the friend Ranson Attention, hi bro.
Help.
This is the Tata showroom. Let's see where the car is now. What's up? Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. And now we are going home and with the cake. So we are going to hog after this. Alright, bye.